guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to transfer money from Shopee to GCash. Let's start. So make sure, of course, you're logged into your Shopee app. Shopee app is one of the most popular apps in Asia, guys, for its online shopping experience. However, you can definitely have money transactions here in Shopee, and it's pretty useful because nowadays a lot of establishments actually honoring or accepting Shopee Pay. So how to transfer Shopee or transfer money from Shopee to GCash? This is how it's done. You go to Me, so that's located at the lower right bottom of your screen, and then you would be led to this page where pretty much is your account, and you go to your wallet, okay? So in wallet, you go to Shopee Pay. Shopee Pay is basically where you could cash in your money, or say if you have applied for an S loan, or if there are certain credits that you would want to cash in, you put that on your Shopee Pay. Now, if you wish to transfer that to GCash, GCash is, for those who doesn't know what GCash is, it's a popular e-wallet here in the Philippines that you could, use to also pay in establishments and also move money and transfer money and even, send payments. Even like, for prepaid mobile numbers, you could actually buy loads here. And even, in cable subscription, you could also make transactions from there. So, from here, Shopee Pay, there's an option here that says send money. Just click on send money, and then this is where you could see an option that says send to other e-wallet. So when you do send e-wallet, so you put your name and then like select what e-wallet. So say for instance, I'm just gonna put like my full name, and then when you put in there, you select like e-wallet. See, there's an option here that says GCash, right? So for GCash, you can just select that and then just put your GCash number, and then you're all set. Just hit on next and then follow the upcoming instructions and how you'll be able to transfer. That's it. So it's very easy. If you want to learn more about Shopee, guys, please stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.